How can young women become homeowners by the time they're 30 years old? And that is what we are going to talk about today. Sharon, your former Miami real estate agent here, and Girl Guiding surveyed more than 2,000 girls and concluded that 52% of these young women interviewed, aged between 7 and 21, wanted to buy a house by the age of 30. Now, this survey was conducted in the UK. Now, on the other hand, the 2022 Junior Achievement and Fannie Mae Youth Homeownership Survey in the United States concluded that 85% of US teens believe owning a house is part of the good life. But how can you become a homeowner? I mean, the market is pretty tough right now. The median sale price for a house in the United States increased 3% year over year in August. In comparison, Miami home prices increased over 7% compared to last year in August 2023. And we are also facing a low supply nationwide, and the interest rates are constantly increasing. You can watch my latest market update video right here to find out more about what's happening in the Miami real estate market. Anyway, the good news is that if you are a young adult, you have time on your side, which is awesome. It is possible that by the time you're ready to buy your first house, you will be definitely in a different, environment. We will probably have a more balanced real estate market. Who knows, right? But still, you need to do careful planning in 3 important things in your mind. I mean, if you start gaining financial literacy early, you can achieve success early. Moving on to the 3 components I am talking about today. The first one is the down payment. The standard 20% amount is actually one of the biggest hurdles for most home buyers. But buying just with 20% down payment is a myth. You can actually buy as low as 3% down payment. So if you're a high school student aiming to buy a house in 10 to 15 years, here's a clear plan. So number 1, you can get a part-time, you can get a full-time, you can have your business, but you need it for income. The next step is to open a savings account to deposit money for your down payment. So you can also consider using a Roth IRA. You can withdraw up to $10,000, penalty free for your first home. And you should also explore first-time home buyers down payment assistance programs from banks and states. You can also receive gifts from your parents or relatives. Yes, they can help you with the savings by giving you a gift of X amount of money for you to use in your home buying process. So these steps will help you work toward your goal of owning a home efficiently. All right, so the next component is your credit score, which the bank will check when you apply for your mortgage. For those of you who don't know what this is a gauge of, your debt management skills, usually ranging from 300 to 850. A higher score can get you a lower, more favorable interest rate on your loan. Banks prefer borrowers who demonstrate consistent payment habits and responsible debt management. Now, to keep your score high, you should use credit cards responsibly, of course, and make full on-time payments. By doing this, you're on the track to maintaining a strong credit score, which can save you money on your mortgage. And the third component is your income. When you're in the market for a new home, your income can actually boost you completely. Here is how it works. So lenders have their eagle eyes on your debt to income ratio. That's the magic number that helps them figure it out how much mortgage debt you can handle. It takes into account things like monthly payments for student loans, for example, auto loans, and other credit lines you may have. If you have not been working steadily for 2 years, or your income depends a lot on bonuses or commissions, you may need a helping hand from a parent again, or a family member. They can co-sign your mortgage to show that your income history is stable and reliable. Now, you should also keep in mind that there will be other things like insurance costs, property taxes, association fees, maintenance costs, finding a trustworthy realtor, finding the best home in your budget, etc. So if you're a young woman full of ambitions and hopes, never stop learning. Let me tell you that, please. Always keep yourself updated with the market trends and keep improving your financial literacy. And if you would like to get your home ownership questions answered by me, feel free to shoot over an email at colongar.sharon@gmail.com or just simply schedule a discovery call below. My team and I will love to help you. If you enjoy watching this video, I'm sure you will love this video right here, where I have compared buying a new construction home versus an existing home, like a resale home. So click here and I'll see you there.